Hallo, mein Name ist Daniel und herzlich willkommen auf der News! Can't sleep? PlayStation has something to keep you busy. Insomniac Games has detailed a new Ratchet Clank game for PS4, consisting of the wacky cat and robot duo's origin story. A trailer featuring some very nice in-game footage was released along with some screenshots and an estimated date given of spring next year. It's a little while to wait, but there will be playable demos on the floor at E3, so while most of you won't actually get to play, I'm sure there will be plenty of footage. Insomniac have also promised more details at E3, but here's what we know so far. The game will be based on the movie based on the original game, the movie releasing next year as well. Insomniac have said it is more of a reimagining than a retelling. The game will run at 1080p and aims to have its visuals match that of a CG movie, which, if you watch the trailer, you can see they've done a damn fine job. As for those who haven't played the series before, Insomniac community lead James Stevenson says, "This will be an ultimate point for you to launch into the series if you've never played before, giving you the origin story of Ratchet Clank, but in the best way possible. That said, you can't go wrong with the other games in the series too." The weapons arsenal has been revamped to include some old favourites, some new favourites from more recent titles, and some brand spanking new ones. And really, it looks great. I can't wait to hear and see more. The PS4 was definitely missing a Ratchet Clank game. A Reddit user can dream, I guess. Some Reddit users recently discovered some images hidden in the CSS of the Oculus site. These were posted online before the images were removed and seem to show the Oculus Rift consumer model concepts, including a simple control device. The rumours were quickly shut down by Oculus founder Palmer Luckey, who wrote, "This is an old placeholder concept image that we accidentally leaked. Everything in it is ancient, certainly nowhere close to final, as evidenced by the GPU specs and the game named War. Don't expect everything to carry through to the stream on the 11th. Sadly, the live stream takes place after this episode is filmed, but a final release date and model are expected to be announced, along with specs and more, so if anything interesting is said, it just might be in next week's news. The stream was held on the Oculus site, and I'm sure announcements will be heavily stated there, so keep an eye close to your screen to find out new exciting things Oculus has to say. Don't close your eyes just yet, a rumour has been confirmed. The rumoured 1TB Xbox One we reported on recently has turned out to be true. Microsoft have revealed a new matte black Xbox One with the aforementioned 1TB hard drive and an all-new controller. The bumpers have been refined and tuned for a more consistent performance, whatever that means. Firmware updates can now be done wirelessly, and you can now use any headset with the new 3.5mm jack. A special edition standalone controller with a silver and black camo design called the Covert Forces controller will also be available. In some regions, the Halo Master Chief Collection will come with the package too. Microsoft also announced a permanent price reduction for the basic 500GB Xbox One, which is applicable in the UK and means the £299 price point is here to stay. The new larger capacity console will cost £349 and will be available very soon, so check your favourite retailer. Also announced was an adapter for the wireless controller that plugs into your PC. Apparently it will only be compatible with Windows 10 and an Xbox One controller, but it's great that people will be able to use their controllers wirelessly for PC gaming. And now a dream you thought was dead, and yet it walks again. Rumours abound, but these ones may have some substance. Unseen64, a website with a supposed proven track record in getting the skinny on cancelled and forgotten games, has reported that a source has confirmed that the Wii U exclusive ZombieU won't be too exclusive for long. This game doesn't want to stay dead, and the source seems to think ports for Xbox and PlayStation are currently in the works. A sequel was cancelled previously, but perhaps Ubisoft are ready to resurrect the game. While the title was praised as innovative and good quality, its critical success didn't translate to financial success, possibly due to the Wii U's poor early sales and the Nintendo audience not receiving it well. Ubisoft may have made the decision to make the dead walk again as they see potential in the series. The rumour has yet to be officially confirmed by Ubisoft, but it does beg the question of how the game will play, as the original design was focused heavily on the Wii U's second screen controller. It's possible we may be hearing more at E3, but if not, may the game rest in peace. Okay, news has been news. Now for some of your thoughts. Are you hoping Ratchet & Clank will be as amazing as it looks? Because it really does look amazing. Do you like the new Xbox controller, and will you be upgrading? And what does a zombie pilot say? Flames. Don't forget to tickle my unicorn to subscribe. If you missed our last episode, you can catch it here. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. See you next time.